Hey guys, this is Joseph again. This is my final video for homework 3. I printed all the things out to the actual size. Let me say it again, actual size, so you can get the correct dimensions. I'll give you one dimension on each of these just so you can make sure you're right. The top of the house is 90 feet. Let me go into model space so we can actually see what we're doing. 90. The top of this is 200. So that's a good check. The only thing I haven't done is I haven't hatched the house. So let's hatch the house. Let's make sure I'm all on the right layer. House, hatch, pick internal point. We want it solid. Boom. So that's all we need. Notice my engineering scale is in model space. I have my naming convention, so 14R is down here on the text layer. Nothing is on the 0 layer. Ooh, I forgot to tell you about the viewport. That was one thing I forgot. So let me go to layout 1. I'm going to turn back on my viewport layer. See if the light bulb is off. Turn it on. So couple things that really bother me when I'm grading is things on the 0 layer. You shouldn't have it because we filtered them out. But there is a 0 layer. I hate that. It bothers me to no end. That's the default layer. Another thing is when your viewport is visible. So this is my viewport. To change, it's normally on layer 0. So it would be on the 0 layer. Let me go to all. So my viewport layer would normally be on the 0 layer and it would be black. Right? So how I change it is I want to click on it. Let me filter the homeworks again. Get out of here. So it's black now. I want to make it lime green. Right? And I don't want to see it. So I turn this light bulb off. Boom, it's gone. But I can still get into this viewport window. See, there's the border now. That means I can move in and out on this. I'm off. When I zoom in and out now, it's on the paper. So we want to make sure that we're at the correct scale. What I say, 1 inch equals 50 feet. So zoom, one more time. 1 divided by 50 XP. Boom. And now I just center it with my pan hand. Hit escape. Double click outside. We're good to go. Let me check the rubric to make sure we went over everything so we don't get killed on that. Nothing is on the 0 layer. Yep, that really bothers me. House is drawn accurately to the correct dimensions. Hope you used your engineering scale. Everything is on the correct layer. File's name are both correct. Those are easy points. Don't lose those. Sidewalk is the correct width. That's dependent on how you have to measure it the correct thing and then make it the correct width on your drawing. Drawing is zoomed into the correct scale, 1/50 XP. I've showed you that, guys. I've showed you guys that a couple times. Viewport layer is turned off. We just went over that. And engineering scale is correct and proper. And it's good right there. We can't quite see it, so let's move the drawing over just a tad. Beautiful. That's it. Most of this is just learning how to use your engineering scale. I said that was the top was 200 of this. The top of this was 90. So make sure you have those correct. Otherwise, you'll lose some points. You'll lose 6 out of 20 points right off the bat, and that's not a good grade to start with. So once again, email me if you have questions. This homework isn't hard at all. I don't even think we want a north arrow. Nope, we are good to go. Make sure you submit it on Scholar with the Honor Pledge before Monday night at 11:55. That's when it closes. As always, if you have questions, email me, Professor Connor, Tyler, or Casey. We're always willing to help. I normally have my office hours on Friday, as does Casey. Tyler, I think we'll have them on Monday. So we're trying to get them in, so if you guys need help with the homework, we're always there to help. Hopefully that's it. Most of this is just printing to the actual size. That's really important. I think that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.